Hey viewers, you're watching The Savera and I'm Vidhi Joshi. Missing the income tax return filing deadline can feel like a costly mistake waiting to happen. But here's the good news. The government has extended the deadline for filing ITR for assessment year 2025 to 2026 from July 31 to September 15, 2025. This extension is aimed at helping taxpayers adjust to the new tax regime introduced this year and the updated online and offline filing systems. It's a welcome relief, but it's important to understand what happens if you still miss the deadline. The due date varies based on your category as a taxpayer. If you are an individual, part of a Hindu undivided family, or an association or body of persons whose accounts don't require an audit, your deadline is now September 15, 2025. Businesses that require an audit have until October 31, 2025, while those involved in international or specified domestic transactions requiring transfer pricing reports must file by November 30, 2025. If you miss these deadlines, you still have a chance to file a revised or belated return by December 31, 2025. Filing late isn't without consequences, though. Under Section 139, subsection 8A, taxpayers now have up to 48 months to file updated returns, which is double the previous 24 months. However, this flexibility comes at a cost. You may have to pay an additional 60 to 70% tax depending on your case. Moreover, filing after the deadline invites penalties and interest charges. Section 234A mandates a 1% interest per month or part of a month on the outstanding tax amount. On top of that, Section 234F imposes a late filing fee that is Rs 5,000 if your income exceeds Rs 5 lakh or Rs 1,000 if it's below that threshold. Additional penalties under Section 234B, 234C and possibly Section 271F can also apply depending on circumstances. Even if you have paid all your taxes on time but failed to file the return, interest charges might be waived. But the late fee still applies. Adding to the pressure, the Income Tax Department has intensified its scrutiny this year. Raids and investigations are ongoing across the country to catch false claims related to deductions such as political donations, tuition fees, and medical expenses. Filing your ITR accurately and within deadline is more important than ever to avoid penalties and unnecessary trouble. In summary, while you can file your ITR late, it will cost you in terms of additional taxes, interest, and penalties. Timely filing ensures compliance, saves money, and keeps you clear of legal hassles. So, don't wait. Get your ITR filed on time and avoid the pitfalls of delay. That's all for now. Stay tuned to The Savera for more updates. Do like, comment, and subscribe to the channel.